me again. What are you gonna do?
Jump over with a spin.
This is from Jordan's gymnastic class. Let's see
Yeah.
it. Whoa!
No, I missed that.
Pretty good. What else can you do?
Donkey kick.
Donkey kick. Oh, I love the donkey kick.
And then I roll like this.
Whoa! What's that? A forward roll? Try that again. Let me see that one again.
Can you do a back roll?
Woo!
Can you do a back roll? This is what we do when we're done.
That's what you do when you're done?
Can you do a back roll?
It's awesome.
Oh,
Let me see that cute face.
I'm jump on a tramp, then jump there. We.
Is that what he does?
We do this. This is called a. This is called tuck rock jump.
Tuck rock. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I gotta sit down to see that. Look out, Jacob. I gotta get this one. Beep, beep. G. Frank, what's your name? Move over here, sweetheart. Hold on. I gotta sit down. Come closer to Daddy. Come a little bit closer. Right there. Let's see the tuck jump. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is pretty awesome.
We have something just.
Okay, I want to